Hi everyone, this is Carlos Garcia again with another tip around your house. I'm with the Lee's team at Keller Williams. And today I'm going to be showing you, or I'm going to be talking about your dryer in the laundry room. Most of the repairs that are done to a dryer machine have to do with how we do maintenance with the lint. The lint is something that accumulates when you're drying clothes, you know, the cotton and all of that. It goes into somewhere inside your dryer, and there's a filter that you have to clean every time you use the dryer. Not once in a while, but every time. I'm gonna show you on this one where it's located. When you open the door, there's a cartridge that comes out, which is this one. And the way to clean this one, you open it up, and you see all this lint. The way to clean it, you just pass your fingers, clear it, and throw it away. Now, what happens is, if you don't clear this up, it's gonna go through the ventilation system of the dryer. The way the dryer works, it flows hot air through the whole inside of the dryer, right? So it's pulling air right from these vents. That is where your filter is. If this is clogged up, then you're not gonna have hot air flowing through, because there's not such much airflow through the dryer. So one of the signs that the dryer is not heating up, it's not drying up your clothes, it could be because it's clogged up here at the filter or somewhere inside. Now, when it gets clogged up inside, it's because instead of catching the lint here, it's so full that it now is going in other areas of the dryer. So anyways, you just want to make sure every time that you dry something, you open up the filter, you take out the lint, throw it away. In some other machines it's gonna be different, but you're gonna notice they're all gonna be like around the door or on the top. The ones that are the doors on the top, you're gonna see like a door that you can pull up, and that's gonna have also your screen, and that's the filter, so you can clear it up. Close up how the lint looks like around this if you don't clean it properly. Sometimes you cannot just avoid it, but on this one we do it all the time and we still have some lint, but it's not that much. I also gotta tell you that this right here could create a fire. What happens is, when it gets clogged up, the lint is gonna start going everywhere where the heat element is. It's like your stove, like the old stove, that there's a heat element that will get red. Well, that's inside your dryer. As the air flows through there with lint, the lint is gonna catch on fire, and it could create a fire in your whole house. So this is very important. Not only about the fire, but also to avoid having to replace or do a costly repair on your dryer. Now, once it's clean, make sure you put it back. Don't leave it outside, because then lint is just gonna go through and damage the dryer. So just put it back in place, close the door, voila,